So according to the Archimedes principle, weight of an object in air when placed in a bucket of water, the weight of the object in water becomes 5 kgs, and when this object is placed, the water is displaced into this tumbler, and the weight of this displaced water is 2 kgs. This weight of 7 kgs is nothing but the downward pull of the mass of this body by the gravitation of the earth surface. And here also the same is operating, the downward pull of the earth surface is operating at the same time. There is an upward, this is weight is nothing but the downward force, the gravitational force of the earth, force of gravity, and it is mg. And at the same time there is an upward push by this water called upthrust or the buoyant force, and this upward force is nullifying this downward force to the extent of 2 kgs, and therefore this is 5. And this is also the mass of the weight of the water. Here weight of the water is equal to the buoyant force, the weight of the displaced water, So the buoyant force is equal to the weight of the displaced water, which is equal to the weight of this object in air minus weight of this object in water. And this buoyant force is also called upthrust or simply thrust, and this is the force of water on the object. Upthrust is force of water on the object, and upthrust is equal to the weight of displaced liquid, or equal to the weight of the object in air minus weight of the object in water, which is 2 kgs. 7 minus 5 equals 2 kgs.